I need to buy some badges. Help me decide. Got the C-Pillar emblem here. Here's the deal. I've got my rear quarter emblem housings back from Dave at Resto Maz, who did a fine job of bringing them back to life. Now, these were done in typical Australian fashion. The US model emblem is typically chrome, and then you've got these little black jobs that go in the center, that cover the screw holes. So what I'm going to do now is convert to either Super Deluxe or GS or GT. Now what do you guys think about that? Which way should we go? Do I want to go Super Deluxe, GS, or GT? We didn't have those options in the United States. I don't know what they mean as far as the trim level of your vehicle. Let's have a little convo about that in the comment section down below. I want to hear what you have to say. Which badge? Why? Fill me in.